The Construct Array tool is used to copy an element many times to create a rectangular or a polar array, or an array along a path element. The Array tool can be found in the Home ribbon in the Manipulate group. In this lesson, you will learn rectangular arrays and polar arrays. Continuing in Learning.dgn, open the Array Elements model. In this first exercise, we'll be using the Construct Array tool using the rectangular method to copy the trees to both sides of the road in one action. Select the Construct Array tool and set the following tool settings. Method, rectangular. Active angle, 0. Rows, 6. Columns, 2. Row spacing, -12. Column spacing, 38.4. Note the use of -12 in the row spacing. This directs the Array tool to build the array down from the original element. Had we needed to place the row to the left of the original, we would have needed a minus sign as well. Select the tree cell with the data point and accept the selection with another data point. In this next exercise, we'll create a polar array of the points around the circle of the cyan elements. Instead of calculating the angle between the items yourself, you can just enter the number of copies in the entire array, 10 in this instance, and set the total angle of 360. MicroStation will automatically calculate the delta angle for you. Let's give it a try. With Construct Array active, set the following. Method, polar. Copies, 10. Ignore the delta angle. Total angle, 360 degrees. Rotate items, enabled. Note how MicroStation sets the delta angle to 36 based on the total angle and the total number of copies. Select the pointy object. Snap to the center of the circle to define the center point of the new array and press Data Point. It's a perfect match to the left side object. In this next example, we'll be setting the actual delta angle. To make it a bit more complex, we'll need to accommodate a 2-degree overlap. Note, when you're setting the angle, you subtract one of the copies from the total, as the first step already exists. With the Construct Array still selected, set the following. Method, polar. Copies, 15. Remember, we have to subtract by 1 to allow for the original step to be included. Delta angle, 13, which is 15 degrees minus the 2-degree overlap. Rotate elements, enabled. Select the first step with the data point. Data point in the middle of the white cross. The 16 steps appear with a 2-degree overlap as expected. In this lesson, you learned rectangular arrays and polar arrays. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.